Hi there, let me explain today vector database using a case study. Let's say you are working at a retail company as a business analyst and you receive complaints about one of your top selling products which is related to dog food. Now, as a business analyst, your job is to analyze all the customer reviews which are related to dog food. And let's say you have a table which has got all the customer reviews, it has got the product ID as well as it has got the review. And let's say if you use the traditional techniques such as you launch an SQL, you say select star from customer reviews where reviews contain problem with dog food, you'll get no results. The issue is that you are trying to use these traditional techniques to analyze unstructured data. The unstructured data here is customer review text. It is completely unstructured as well as it has got lot of long language nuances. So enter the vector database, which helps to analyze unstructured data. Let me first explain the word vector. Vectors are numeric representation of text. So for example, here we see that all the customer reviews are represented as numeric representation, and this numeric representation is also called as embedding. And embeddings are generated using large language models. And in this example, I have sent all the customer reviews to large language model GPT-4 from OpenAI, which has given me this numeric representation. And embeddings are more than just numbers. They also capture the context of the text. So if you plot these embeddings on a 2D visualization, you will see that all the related texts will be close to each other. So in our example, the reviews which are related to dog food will be close to each other, and the reviews which are related to some other products such as coffee will be far from the dog food reviews. Now let me introduce a new terminology called as vector distance. To simplify, let us take 3 reviews, 2 for dog food and 1 for coffee. And if you draw a straight line from the center to this numeric representation, this is called as vector. And the angle between the two vectors is also called as vector distance. So you can see that the angle or the vector distance between the reviews which are related to dog food is small, and the angle or the vector distance between the dog food review and the coffee review is more. So a vector database is a database which can store these embeddings as well as it has got this capability to calculate the vector distance between vectors. Now let me come back to the original problem of getting records which are related to dog food. So let's say that our reviews are now in a vector database and they are not in a traditional database. This means that in addition to reviews, we also have the embeddings, and also we have this capability to calculate the vector distance between the embeddings. Now let's say that my query is give me the records which have dog food problems. So first this query will be converted into embeddings, and then the vector database is going to calculate the distance between the embeddings of the query and the embeddings of all the records in the database. The vectors with the shortest vector distance will be retrieved, which will have all the reviews which are related to dog food problem. Now let me show you a demo of a chatbot which uses this vector database. So this demo is also available on my platform experienceddatascience.com, and you can also try it out. So let me first start by loading the product reviews which are coming from this Amazon product review dataset. I can then convert this review into embedding. It will take a while, and in a while all the reviews will be converted into this numeric representation. And then I can go to a chatbot where I can ask questions to this unstructured text. For example, I can ask what is the issue with the dog food, and I will get all the reviews which have the shortest distance to my query. And you can see that all the reviews are related to dog food. And you can also convert all these reviews with dog food problem also into a nice looking response. Alright my friends, to summarize, a vector database is a very efficient way to get insights into unstructured data. Vector database also has this capability to store the embeddings, which are these numeric representations of text. And they also have the capability to find the relevant records using the vector distance algorithms. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and see you soon in another exciting video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like and comment on the video.